In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a layer in Clip Studio Paint. Renaming layers is a small habit that pays off in a big way. Clear names keep your projects organized, help you find things quickly, and make it easier to revisit a file weeks later without wondering which layer does what. Start by opening Clip Studio Paint and taking a look at the layer palette. This is usually docked on the right side of your screen and shows a stack of thumbnails, names, and icons for visibility and locks. If you don't see it, don't worry, your workspace might be customized. You can bring it back from the window menu by enabling the layer panel so you can view your layers as you work. Next, select the layer you want to rename. Click once on the layer in the list so it's highlighted. You'll know it's selected when the row is shaded and the thumbnail is outlined. If you have layer folders or masks, make sure you're selecting the actual layer you intend to rename, not a mask or a folder by mistake. A quick glance at the thumbnail can confirm you've got the right one. Now, double-click directly on the layer's current name. Aim for the text itself, not the thumbnail or the visibility icon. When you double-click the name, it should become editable, and you'll see a text cursor appear. If nothing happens, try clicking once to ensure the layer is selected, then double-click again on the name area. Type the new name you want. Choose something descriptive and consistent like line art, character, base colors, background, or shadows jacket. Adding prefixes such as BG, FX, or REF can make scanning your list faster, especially in large files. You can also include version tags like V2 or Final to track updates as your piece evolves. The key is clarity. Name it so future you immediately knows what's inside. When you're happy with the name, press enter to confirm. You'll see the field lock in and the new name appear in the list. If you change your mind or spot a typo, you can repeat the same process to rename it again. Pressing enter is the quickest way to finalize it, but clicking anywhere else in the interface will also apply the change, and that's it. Open Clip Studio Paint, locate your layer palette, select the layer, double-click the name, type your new label, and press enter. Build this into your workflow, and your files will stay cleaner, faster to navigate, and far easier to